Have you ever been confused about gender in grammar? Let's talk about it. Gender in grammar refers to the classification of nouns as masculine, feminine, or neutral. It's important to use gender-neutral language to be inclusive and respectful of all genders. For example, instead of using he or she as a pronoun, you can use they or them. This is becoming more common in modern language usage. In fact, the American Dialect Society named the singular they as the word of the decade in 2010. It's gaining acceptance in formal writing too. So, let's be mindful of our language usage and strive for inclusivity. It's a small but impactful step towards creating a more accepting society.